Hi friends, hi, how's it going? How are you today? I hope that today is treating you all kindly. Today I am going to explore the avenues of cleaning my brushes in between uses. I have talked about this in many a video and have had many a question on it, but it's really why you need this product in your life. This is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner, and I do use this in between uses for cleaning all of my makeup brushes when I use them. I've had many a question on it. I know that I have a friend out there who was like, I must be doing something wrong. I don't know how to use this product. So I am here to show you how I clean my makeup brushes in between every single use, what I look for, how I do it, what you need in order to be able to do that. And it stars this guy and why you need this in your life. And if that sounds like something that you're interested in, just keep watching. For those of you who are new here, my name is Donna. I am a lover of all things high-end, colorful beauty and self-care. And if that sounds like something that you are also into, you have found the right place. I do hope that you'll want to be a new partner in crime with me, because I am going to be that perfect partner that's going to tell you, you do you boo. You do anything that you want. I do everything that soothes my soul and makes my soul feel fulfilled, even though I'm a lady of a certain age who's told all the time, you can't do that. You can't wear that. You shouldn't, because I'm out here, I'm doing it, and I'm telling you, you can too. So I hope that I interest you. I hope that you'll want to subscribe to my channel before you go. I think that you'll find I'm kind of fun to hang out with and just talk about all things makeup, colorful, high-end beauty and self-care. So with that said, let's jump into the video. All right, so some things you need when you're cleaning your brushes are obviously dirty brushes. And then I also use the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner when I am cleaning in between uses. So this is just a quick and easy makeup brush cleaning tutorial using the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. This is something that I purchase over and over and over again. It is something that I use all the time. It is something that I pick up from Sephora in every single Rouge event or spring haul or whatever it is. And I have a friend ask me to give her some pointers on how to use this, because she's not sure what she's doing wrong, but is apparently not getting the same kind of quality clean that I am out of my makeup brush cleaner. So when I use this, I do pour it into a little like vat. So get yourself like a flat, container of some sort. This is just a lid off of my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and I just pour just a small bit in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's not much in here. And then I also have it in a spray bottle. This is just a little makeup setting spray bottle, and this I've had this in multiple other spray bottles, and it's not quite worked out so hot, but in this spray bottle it seems to stay and work well. So I just reuse this, repurpose, reuse, and I have it in this spray bottle. So I put it in the spray bottle for the larger brushes that aren't going to fit in here and that I don't want to soak up all of what is in there. That is why I have the spray bottle. And then I also have a clean towel. This is clean, but it is stained. It is one that I use all the time for cleaning my makeup brushes. So I just fold it over itself a couple of times and then we'll lay it out. So then to clean my brushes, I will just take a brush and dip it in. You don't have to leave it in there for very long. You just dip it in and then I swirl the brush on the towel until it is clean, until it swirls clean. So dirty, clean. At that point, this is clean. So I will then wipe it off and set it aside. And again, dip it in, swirl it around, dirty. You can see that there's still a little bit in here, so I might dunk it a second time. Clean. All right, guys, I am going to clean the rest of these brushes. Depending on the colors that you put on a brush, some of your brushes might end up stained. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is some remnant red on there, but it is not coming off on the towel. So that does mean that it's clean, but it is stained. So that staining is going to be there until you deep clean them, which is okay. Sometimes the brushes get full of the cleaner, so I just will mush it up against the side of the walls of the container to get the excess out. This typically happens with like concealers, eye primers, bigger, denser brushes. And you shouldn't like smash your brush into the towel when you're cleaning it. Just a light swirl around on the towel is all that you need. With the denser brushes, I like to pull the bristles apart a little bit and kind of fan through them to make sure like the remnants down in the brush also got cleaned out. If they didn't, then I will spray them. This one I just used with primer, so with the bigger, fluffier brushes that I also put into here, I will also give them a good spray down. And then swipe again. And they're dry almost immediately. All right, this brush I would normally try and stick into that vat, but I'm not going to. I'm going to spray it. So a good amount of spray. As you can see, it already looks cleaner. I don't typically stop there though, because I like them to actually be clean. So I do wipe it down on the towel. I also spread the bristles apart. Make sure the cleaner gets into the bristles and make sure it gets clean. One thing I will say too is a lot of people get concerned about the health of their brushes when you're using something like this. I will say that this brush in particular has been in my collection ever since I started putting on makeup. I think I got it in like one of my very first BoxyCharm boxes. So we're talking like 4 years here about. And I clean it with this stuff after every single time I use it. And it is still a beautiful brush. It's very clean. It's not falling apart. It still has kept its shape and it's still super soft. So when you have good brushes in your collection, they're not going to fall apart over something as simple as cleaning. But sometimes, you know, the more you do clean your brush, the more you notice that they are falling apart. Brushes like these two, these are Morphe brushes, and you can see they're kind of ragged. Morphe brushes are not fantastic in the first place, but these white haired brushes from Morphe, I think I don't know what kind of hair they are, but they're not amazing. They break apart. They're kind of pokey, but I do like them for moving shadow around on an eye look. So, but many of my brushes, obviously, you know, the Sigma brush, I've used this, I don't know, time and time again, and there's no damage to these bristles from using something like a Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. So there you have it. I have cleaned all of my brushes. They are beautiful now, and I hope that you enjoyed this. All right, guys, how'd it go? What'd you think? Did you learn anything? Did I teach you anything? Did I help in any way? I hope so. I hope that you learned all about this product and what it can do for you. I really do love this product. It is a perfect makeup brush cleaner. In between uses, I have tried multiple other makeup brush cleaners, including the e.l.f. one, which is only $3 for a little tiny guy. I've used the IT makeup brush cleaner, which I really don't think is all that it's cracked up to be, and it actually pans out to being more expensive than this guy when you really drill down into it. Yeah, this is just the best, and it's got a nice vanilla scent to it without being too vanilla or too chemical. It makes your brushes smell good and cleans it and kills 99.9% of bacteria. It is amazing. This is not sponsored. This is just a product that I swear by, that I use all the time, and I hope that you guys learned something and enjoyed the video. I really do hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you liked it enough that you'll consider giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. It lets YouTube know that there are people out there enjoying our videos. I also hope that you liked it, or me, enough to subscribe to my channel before you go. I would love to welcome welcome you into my YouTube family here, have you along for my crazy midlife crises. And
I thought there was somebody hanging out outside my window. Scared me just a little bit. There's not, though.
I hope that if you do subscribe that you hit that notification bell. I do upload content multiple times a week, and I would hate to not show up in your feed after you've subscribed. That would break my heart. But with that said, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I do hope that you are having a wonderful day. I do hope that 2021 is treating you kindly. I hope that you and yours are well out there, and I hope that you're loving each other, but loving each other from afar. Until next time, bye friends.